Hi everyone, welcome back to the new session. Today let us discuss the question answers of the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Page number 42, working with the text. Under this title, first main, answer the following questions. First question, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? It was the season of Hilsa fish. As everyone was busy talking about it, the king was fed off the talks about Hilsa fish. Moreover, he did not want his courtiers to waste their time on these talks which could affect their work. The king was bored due to the continuous talk about Hilsa, so he didn't want no more talk about the Hilsa fish. Second one, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Time and again, king used to test Gopal, so this time he asked Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace, crossing the bazaar without anyone asking anything about the fish throughout the way to prove that he was clever. The king put a challenge to the courtier Gopal to bring the Hilsa fish that no one should ask him on the way. Third one, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? Gopal half shaved his beard, smeared himself with ash, and wore disgraceful rags before he went to buy his Hilsa fish. He did three things. One is he had shaved his face half and smeared his face with ashes, and he had worn disgraceful rags, clothes. Fourth one, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? Gopal bought Hilsa from the market and reached the king's palace. In such get-up, the guards refused to open the gate for a madman. As they were unable to recognize him, they did not allow him to meet the king. Therefore, he began to dance and sing loudly. On hearing his loud song, the king sent his messengers. The king sent his messenger to call him in the court. This is answer for the fourth one. Fifth one, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Answer is, Gopal's funny appearance attracted the attention of people much more than the Hilsa fish. At that time, no one was caring about the Hilsa fish he was carrying. Everyone was busy in talking about Hilsa. Everyone was busy in talking about his mad appearance, half-shaved face, and rags. While Gopal was bringing the Hilsa fish, no one was talking about it because, moreover, more than Hilsa fish, his disgraceful appearance was the matter of talk. It was the central idea of talk. So, people didn't concentrate on the Hilsa fish on that day. These are the question answers of the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Read these and write down these in the notebook, and let us continue in the next session. Thank you.